Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply trending TikTok effects to your photos or your videos in, well, TikTok. So to do that, I'm going to hit the plus button here, and I am going to upload a photo. You can also upload a video. Then I'm going to hit the next button, and I'm going to select the edit button here. And I'm going to select effects. Here, as you can see, there's a bunch of trending effects that you can add. There's vibrant colors. You can even go to the new one and like add in some makeup here. And select the beauty glam one. There's one that you can change your hair color. It's not very good though. There's one where you can add stickers to it. There's one where it can change like the color of your eye as well. As you can see, now she has blue eyes. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I don't know if you can add another one. I think you can add another one like on top as well. Yeah, you can add it on top. Let me see if I can place that on top so you can see the blue eyes. Well, I guess kind of a little bit. Actually, no, you can't add two on top. You need to add them separately, unfortunately. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. Once you're done, you're just going to hit next and you can just post it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!